One of the options on the marquee handles is the translucency slider. You will see this option once you select any object. An object may be an image, shape, or text. The translucency slider is located fourth from the left, and you can use it in design mode or presentation mode. One use of the translucency slider could be to hide labels. Perhaps after my students review parts of a wave, I can reveal the answers. I had this text grouped, and I turned the translucency slider all the way down to keep the labels hidden. Another use of translucency could be for before and after images. Here I have two images stacked on top of one another. The before image is on top. After my students discuss and make predictions about melting glaciers, I can use the translucency slider to reveal the after image.